Hi, I'm Mark Emily on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this segment, we're going to go over bottling and capping of our beer. Alright, so now we've got our beer up on the counter, our bottles all rinsed out and dried and ready to go, our bottle caps ready to go, our capper, and now we're going to use our filling tube and attach that to our bottling bucket. I'm using a filling tube. It's a little simpler than some of the conventional bottle fillers. If you have a bottle filler, it'll be a lot easier to do this. So now we're going to get ready to fill our first bottle. We're going to stick the bottle under the filler and open up the flow. And it'll start flowing into the bottle, as you can see here. As it gets towards the top, we're going to turn it off and then slowly eke a little more in. Then we're going to pull it out, and we're good to go. Now, we're going to grab a bottle cap, put it on top of the bottle, and put it off to the side for now. We're going to cap it later. Then, grab your next bottle, put it under, start filling it up. If you have a bottle filler, you can leave the spigot open. The bottle filler will actually stop the flow for you. You want the fill line to be about 1.5 inches to 1 inch below the top. If you don't feel that you're close enough, just pull it down, take a little hit, and you're good to go. If you're using a bottle filler, you may need to push it out slightly on the side and it'll add a little more. So after we filled all of our bottles and put a cap on top of them, we're ready to cap them. The reason that we didn't cap them right away is because a little CO2 is pushing out of that, and CO2 is carbon dioxide, and that's going to clear the headspace out of some oxygen, which we don't want in our beer. Now that we're ready to cap, we're going to put the bottles between our knees, take our capper, open it up, place it on top of the cap, get on top of it, push down until it kind of pops, and then your bottle has been capped. You're going to repeat this for all of the bottles that you have. Once all your beer is bottled and capped, you may want to put a label on it, or at the minimum, you probably want to write something on the top of the cap so that you know what it is.